Can I accept the recommendation? I don't think this recommendation has come from them. This recommendation, I understand.
This is part of the Satya report.
They only hinted at this, but this...
They've mentioned it. It's part of the
Satya report. Which is the reason? Because they mentioned it, a new commission was set up, the Rangnath Mishra Commission was set up. The Rangnath Mishra Commission was supposed to look at this specifically. That report is not before Parliament.
So the idea and this proposal to correct the poor representation of Muslims in Parliament and elsewhere is still stuck in committees. Committee after committee will carry on, but there'll be no solution.
Absolutely, because it is not something you don't change your polity overnight, because every time you do.
But you don't agonize for 3 years and keep pushing it from one committee to the next. That's a way of not taking a decision.
No. That's not at all the case. Where we thought we needed immediate intervention, education, jobs, we've done it.
Just with limited reference to scholarships. It's only about 50,000, I believe, that you've created.
Scholarships? No,
there
I'm sorry.
Tens to 20.
It'll be 50 lakhs next year, it's 29 lakhs this year. Whoever's given you this information has not been fair. 50 lakhs next year, 29 lakhs this year.
Compared to perhaps 40, 50 million people replying.
No. There are Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, where we've got 3 times or 4 times the numbers that we have actually provided to them. That's the reason why we're going to 50 lakhs.
You brought up Andhra Pradesh a moment ago. Why can't you take a leaf out of your own Andhra Pradesh government book and arrange laws that will permit Muslims to be co-opted to panchayats, to municipalities, to agricultural marketing committees, and even to cooperative bank committees? That would give them a meaningful role in institutions that determine their lives. That's a step your government in Andhra has taken. Why can't you take it here?
No. But please understand, the step taken in Andhra Pradesh still needs endorsement 3 times. Constitutional benches have struck it down. It's still before a constitutional bench in Andhra Pradesh. It's pending a judgment. It's been reserved for a judgment. That's a very important input that we have. There's Tamil Nadu, there's Karnataka.
Are you inclined to move in that direction as Andhra
We said so in our manifesto. And if you ask me...
there's a lot of things you say in your manifesto that you don't do.
We are committed to it in our manifesto.
Repeat that again. You are committed to this particular thing.
Absolutely. I'm saying it to you again. We are committed to this. But what we are looking at is 2 things. One is what kind of model of backward minorities we should implement. Should it be the Karnataka model or should it be the Andhra model?
And the second?
Can I explain the difference? The difference is in Karnataka model, in 27% for backwards, you give a separate portion for backward minorities or backward Muslims. That's what you do in Karnataka. And in Karnataka, you declare all minorities, all Muslims as backwards. That's the Karnataka model. Andhra Pradesh, you take all Muslims minus 4 or 5 categories like Sheikh, Sayyid, Pathans, etc. And then you give them 4% beyond the 27. When they were given 5, it went to 51,
I understand.
etc. So we have to choose what is the most sustainable for center.
How quickly will you come to a...
I can't give you a deadline on this, but this
will this process go on forever? That's what Muslims want to know.
No,
it's a high priority.
I can say this to you, it's a high priority. We are looking at it all the time. We are working on it 24/7. Please believe me, this is something that we will do. It's a commitment. Our leaders have said we will do it, but we'll do it in a sustainable manner. I don't want to give a model that's struck down by courts tomorrow.
You said, please believe me. I'll believe you. The bigger question is, will the Muslim community who's been waiting for 3 years
Why don't you go and ask in Firozabad?
Let's take a break in a moment's time and come back and talk to you about specifically the Jamaat-e-Ulema resolution and ask you your opinion of it as Minister of Minority Affairs. That's in a moment's time. See you after the break.